Chimito, what you doing, homie?
Hey, what the fuck, Frankie?
Damn, homie, relax, homie. What you get all sustalas for, homie? Who you looking at anyways, homie?
Fucking be careful next time, Frankie. You can't be fucking pulling up on people like that, homie. You're gonna get fucking shankalankas, homie.
Whatever, homie. What do you keep looking at, homie?
This fucking fat ass fucking chick from upstairs, homie, just fucking changing into her pants, homie. How does she even do it, Frankie?
Damn, homie. Chimito, that's fucked up, homie. That's Rosita, homie. Why you been fucking being a fucking pipas tomasas for, homie?
Wait, what the fuck? What do you mean fucking pipas tomasas, homie?
This fool. What do you mean what I mean, homie? Pipas tomasas, homie. Why you being a peeping Tom for, homie?
Ay, no mames, güey. This fool said pipas tomasas. Fucking Frankie, I swear to God, homie.
Chimito, that's Rosita, homie. She's cool as fuck, homie.
Frankie, Rosita parece árbol, homie. I ain't even fucking lying, homie. Look at the way she's fucking into her pants, homie.